Hello students, welcome back. This is lecture 22, I think. I'm starting to lose count. Today we'll speed through some high English, some English idioms. Some you may be familiar with, but hopefully most of these will be new and you can incorporate them into your vocabulary. So let's go ahead and get started. Also, students, I know you're tired of hearing me say this, but please print the handout so you can follow along. I just think you'll be able to remember it more easily. The first one is dead as a doornail. Dead as a doornail. Just so happen to have a picture. Let's see. This is a old door and kind of a old style nail. Students, dead as a doornail in my own mind just means very dead, totally dead. What did I write on your paper? To clearly and obviously be dead. So for example, a cockroach. Sometimes you step on it and you think it's dead, but then it somehow manages to escape, or it could be a mosquito or almost anything. But dead as a doornail means 100% dead, not coming back to life. It doesn't have to be a cockroach or a spider. It could be plants. For example, in my bathroom I have a fern which I have not watered in more than a year, and I think it's safe to say it's dead as a doornail. Actually, that's not true. I do have two ferns, and I'm pleased to report they are both alive and well. Students, just out of my own curiosity, I was wondering about the origin of this expression, dead as a doornail, and I just so happen to have common nail here, and apparently centuries ago people would reuse nails. I find that hard to believe because, you know, once you use it anywhere, even if it's salvageable, even if you can somehow get it out of the wood, it's just cheaper. I think these are probably ship one, maybe less. So there's no real need to try to get the old nails back. But apparently a long time ago, by the way, these are mass produced, but a long time ago each nail was hand forged. So I think it took more time to make a nail. Whenever they would hammer in the nail, this part at the end, they would hammer to the side, and I guess rendering it impossible for future use. Hence, the nail is dead. I didn't know that when I was preparing for this lecture. I was just curious about the origin of that. Anyway, students, dead as a doornail just means